today's video. Let's decorate vintage Santa for Christmas 2024.
When Christmas comes to town, it's getting cold. Baby, I just want you close. I got all this joy in my heart, and if it's getting dark, yeah, we can go inside. Baby, won't you hold me tight? I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you made it all okay. Oh, it's a magic holiday. Ooh, the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, today guys, I'm really excited to share my very first video for Christmas 2024. Today I'm going to decorate my home for Christmas in a vintage Santa theme. I hope you enjoy. So guys, I started by going around the whole house and removing my Halloween decor.
I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you. I just need you and me, and I know it will be a magic holiday. Oh, you made
Now there's nothing better guys than starting with a clean, fresh slate when it comes to seasonal decorating, and I love preparing my home ready for the Christmas season.
the rest just fades away. It's you and me, a magic holiday. A magic holiday. A magic, I don't need any presents, 'cause I know I have you.
Now guys, in my living room, I pulled everything off the couch. Now off camera, I gave it a really good clean down, and I was really inspired this year to decorate my home in a beautiful burgundy red. Now, I picked up these beautiful burgundy velvet cushion covers from Spotlight, and they were my inspiration for Christmas this year. So I'm changing out my cushions, and I just love this beautiful colour.
Dear Santa, tell me that you'll make it here in time. Yeah, this boy is on my mind, the number one thing on my wish list. Oh, Santa, tell me you know that I've been good. I put the lights up just for you. You're the only one who can make my dreams come true. I could see the end until he looked my way. I used to be blue, now I'm brand new, all wrapped up in red. I keep on dreaming of his face, he just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery, 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's here to stay, all I want is his embrace. Maybe it's crazy, but he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Dear Santa, hurry through the sparkly winter night. He starts up a Christmas tree with every jingle bell. I know we finally need.
Now guys, I recently picked up this inexpensive buffet and hutch off Marketplace, and I was so excited to make it over and decorate it for Christmas this year.
I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my
Now here I'm giving it a really good clean down first of all before I start painting. Now the cream is a colour match, guys, to my 1825 Interiors furniture, and I just love how it matches so perfectly with my table.
Makes it feel like Christmas every day. I wait under the mistletoe, hoping that it'll soon be knocking on my door. I keep on dreaming of his face. He just melts my heart away. I'm all glittery 'cause he makes it feel like Christmas every day. Now the winter's instead.
So this was my first coat, and I ended up going in with 3 coats all over, and I really love how this buffet and hutch came.
Waiting all day, Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe on the way. Feel like Christmas every day. I've been here waiting all day. Santa, are you on your way? Mistletoe on the way.
Now guys, in a future video I'm going to show you some added touches that I'm going to do to this hutch. So this was the initial phase and I was really happy with how it all came, and I have an idea for it in the future to add some additional touches, so I'll share that with you in a future video. So I made a little table setting with some napkins and these napkin rings from Kmart. I also added these little timber houses to the table. Now here is my hutch, and I added this cute little mailbox which is also from Kmart, guys, and I just love how I decorated the hutch this year. Now guys, you may remember in a previous video I shared with you these beautiful French provincial chargers which are from Amazon. Now I happened to come across these gorgeous Santa vintage plates. They're melamine plates from the reject shop, guys. They were only $2 a piece, and I knew they'd go perfectly layered with my chargers. Now guys, also from the reject shop I picked up these adorable little Santa signs. Now I had an idea in mind to get 4 of them and place one on each of my bar stools. Now these particular Glam bows I actually picked up last year, guys, but unfortunately they were a little bit too big for going over the sign, so I end up using something else here which I'll share with you soon. So my theme this year, guys, is definitely Santa. I really wanted to bring in the traditional red vintage Santa Claus, and I love that I've added it really inexpensively with items from the reject shop and Kmart. There was nothing that was really over the top here. I haven't visited TK Maxx in forever, guys, but when I started to open up my bins, I found that I have so much Christmas decorations, so I certainly don't need more. I have picked up a few little inexpensive items purely because I don't have a lot of red Christmas decorations, so I was really excited to find a lot of that at Kmart and the Reject Shop this year.
Before we know it, it's Christmas Eve, Christmas Eve. This year, I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. I love the snow and I love the scarves, the candles lighting the decade malls, but something's missing. I wonder what this year. I'ma give me something special. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's precious. Hopes that I won't forget it, then I won't forgive him, no.
So guys, unfortunately life took a turn in the last couple of weeks and you may have noticed that I didn't upload. Unfortunately, I ended up in hospital, but I'm doing well guys, but I have decided to just stick to one video a week while I recover at home. So from now until Christmas, I'll be uploading every Wednesday morning, 8 a.m. Australian time.
Won't you forget about it, Santa? I won't forgive you for it, Santa. Won't you forget about it? Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you, but you. Been thinking about you and me, another kind of chemistry. I got nothing on my Christmas list but you.
Guys, I absolutely love how my hutch came. Do you love shopping on a Facebook marketplace? You can really find some inexpensive items on there to make over and create that dream hutch that you've always wanted in your home.
It's been a while, tell me how's life? Time really fast, can't believe it's been like 6 months already. How's your family now? It's all coming back, the times that we had, love like no other, care for each other. The memories come back this time of year just like that. The snow's falling down, and just for a while, it's like you were mine again. Darling, I want you to hold me. You and I were never over. My only wish this Christmas is that you come back again. Come back and hold me. We don't need words, pull me closer. My only wish this Christmas is that you would love me again. Darling, just hold me.
So guys, can you believe how quickly Christmas is coming around this year? I say this every year guys, but this year I feel like just flew by. I don't know, but maybe it's because I'm getting older, but I really feel like 2024 just went past so quickly.
I before. The snow's falling down, and just for a while, it's like you are mine again.
Now guys, you'll also notice that I haven't put up my tree as yet. I'll be sharing that in a future video, as well as hanging stockings and a garland on my mantle.
My only wish this Christmas is that you come back again. Come again, hold me. We don't need words, pull me closer. My only wish this Christmas is that you would love me again. Darling, just hold me.
I so love this super cute baking Santa. He is from Kmart, guys, and as soon as I seen him, I knew he'd make the perfect addition in my Christmas kitchen.
And everyone is gone. It's just me, the night, and all the stars. But my heart is full, so full of love. 'Cause after all, I still believe in Christmas miracles.
I can see you far and wide across the ocean, above the clouds. In your presence I am free. I hear your whisper through the wind. Right now, there's no place that I would rather be. So let this moment last. I've searched myself, I've tried to figure out who I am, and you were always there to lift me up. 'Cause no one else can make me love like you. You give me strength, Lord, I finally know where I belong.
So thank you so much for watching, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed the video. I hope you've enjoyed me decorating for Christmas 2024. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back next week for more videos here at Chelle's Glam Home.
And through the cold nights, when I close my eyes, I am walking